Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we'll learn how to design simple part in SolidWorks. It's perfect for beginner. In here, we have drawing, isometric view, front view, top view, and right view. And in here, have not all dimensions are in millimeter, and all fillets are 0.7 millimeter. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and ensure for unit in here. Select in millimeter, gram second, because in here all dimensions are in millimeter. We start from front view, so right click on front plane and click sketch. We start drawing from front view. Just make two circle in here, select circle and draw from origin point in here. Draw two circle like this. For first circle in here, have radius 14, so the diameter in 28, because radius are 14, and second circle have radius 20, so the dimension diameter in 40 millimeter. This. After that, select center line and draw like this. The top, you want to sketch like this, so just select line, draw line like this and this. Set for dimension in here, this line and this center line. Aim for diameter have gap in 2 millimeter, so input in here 2 millimeter like this. And for this line have width in 6 millimeter. We can see from top view drawing in here 6 millimeter. So this line input in 6 millimeter, and this line have high in 7 millimeter like this, 7 millimeter. So after that, we can to trim entities. For select trim entities, for erase this line, this line, this line, and this line. And select mirror entities for this line, and this line. Click mirror about and just click this center line. Click OK and select trim entities again. Right click and draw in here and erase. Just click OK and done. It's simple to make sketch like this. So the next, we want to make sketch like this from front view. So just select line again, draw from this circle, draw like this, this, and this. We can see in here, this line and this line have width in 6 millimeter, so input in here in 6 millimeter, and 4 in here have we are high in 6 millimeter for line in here, 6 millimeter too, and for the length this line to this line in 14. Just input this line and this line in 14 millimeter like this. We can draw this point like this, and we can do input in here. This line have width in 3 and this line have width in 2. Just put in 3 millimeter and in here have in 2 millimeter like this. And don't forget, we can see in here from bottom edge to the center of the circle have distance in 30 millimeter. So select this line and this center of the circle and input in 30 millimeter. Sorry, in 50, input in 30 millimeter like this. After we make sketch like this, just click mirror on this again and edit the mirror. Click this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and the last is this line. For mirror about, just click this center line. Click OK and done. It's so simple. We can to erase for this line. Just trim entities, erase this line and this line. Okay. We can see it's a simple sketch from front view like this. We can export to solid part with the feature. The name is extrude boss or base. And for direction, we change in mid plane for symmetry part, and for width or thickness this part in 28 from right view. Just input in 28 millimeter. And sure, for direction you select in mid plane. Just click OK. And done like this. It's so simple. We can see from right view in here. We have 1, 2, 3 hole, have diameter in 4. So just right click in this face and click sketch. Draw circle, ensure the circle the center of the part in here. This point and this point, click Ctrl and click make vertical. For diameter in here in 4 millimeter, and in here this center to this edge or this line have distance in 4 millimeter, like this. So ensure you input sketch like this. So after that, we can to make another circle in here. Just click circle in here and click the circle, click Ctrl and click the circle, select and click make equal, because in here have same diameter in 4. Set for distance in here, the center to center in 8 millimeter, like this. And we can to mirror entities for this circle. For mirror about, just click front plane. Click OK, and in here is hole, 3 hole circle. So select feature. To make hole, we use feature, and name is extrude cut. Select extrude cut and direction change in through all. Click OK and done like this. It's so simple. Don't forget, in here we can see from top view, in here have 4 hole again, but in here diameter hole is 5 millimeter. This. So right click on this face and click sketch. Draw circle in here. Select circle and draw circle. Diameter, set for diameter circle in 5 millimeter. And for distance, this center to this edge have distance in 4 millimeter. And the center to this edge have distance in 5 millimeter, like this. So in here have 4 hole, the diameter is same, is 5 millimeter. So just click mirror entities, and entities to mirror, click this circle, and mirror about, click this front plane and just click OK. Click again mirror entities, and entities to mirror, click to circle in here, and mirror about, just click right plane. Click OK and done. We just to make 4 hole, the same diameter in 5 millimeter and the same for distance like this, because we just use mirror entities. After that, like before, we use feature and name in extrude cut to make hole, and for direction in through all, just click OK and done like this. It's so simple. In here have a rib like this from isometric view, like this. Rib in here have width in 7 millimeter, like this. So just right click on front plane and click sketch. Select line or choose line. Draw from this edge or this point to this circle, like this. And click this line, click Ctrl and click this edge or circle. Just click make tangent, like this. And select feature and choose or select rib in here. For thickness in here, rib thickness change in 7 millimeter, because in here is 7 millimeter. For direction here, we can to click or checklist a flip material inside, because in unflip is direction to out, but we want to make in. So for direction we can change direction. Just click flip material in flip material side, like this. And for thickness, ensure you select in both side, like this. Just click OK and done like this. But in here have 2 rib, so we just to mirror this strip and features the mirror, just click rip 1, and mirror face or plane, just click right plane. Okay, and done, like this. Don't forget, in here we can see all fillets are 0.7 in here. In here for fillet we can see for each edge, have fillet 0.7, like this is. So in here click menu view, click fillet, and for fillet parameter change in 0.7, and for item to fillet and fillet type ensure select in constant size fillet, and item to fillet select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, this edge, this, can see again, this, and this, and another in here, click this, 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 and this, like this. Just click OK and done. We just to make fillet appropriate like this drawing in here. Let's have fillet, and the bottom on the the bottom in here, and the top fillet in 0.7 for radius. So after that we can to change for appearances the color like this. So in here select all the feature and click in here edit appearances. For color click here maybe in red or pink, just click OK and click again the appearances, just click face, select face, change in white, click white, this whole, this all, this all, this all, this all, this all, select again this whole, and this whole, and this whole. Just click this face, this face, this face, and this face, and just click OK and done. We just make simple parts appropriate this drawing. It's so simple, it's perfect for beginner. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching until the end video.